In this video, we're going to be going over the primary and secondary ossification center for the femur. So first we're going to draw the femur, and we're going to draw the main locations that are highly tested on the board. That's going to be the head, the lesser trochanter, the greater trochanter, and finally the distal end. So for the primary ossification center, think of a baby being born. The first thing that comes out is going to be the head. So that's going to be first year. Then we're going to draw a 9. And this is going to help us remember the secondary ossification center of the head. You're also going to draw these two lines because it aligns with the head of the femur and the 9. And that's going to represent 11 and 19. That's all we have for the head. Now we're going to draw this big ass 4 that goes through the greater trochanter and the lesser trochanter. So first let's focus on the greater trochanter because the primary is going to be the 4th year. And the secondary is going to be 14 to 18. Now all you have to do is just 4 plus 4 equals 8. 18, bing bam boom, you're done. For the lesser trochanter on the 4, it's just 13 to 14 for the primary. And that's really all I can actually try to remember with the lesser trochanter on the primary. But what we're going to do for the lesser trochanter and the distal end, we're going to draw a big ass 7. And it's just going to be focusing on these two main points. So for the secondary on the lesser trochanter, just know that it's 16 to 17. This 17 is going to help us represent that big 7. Now, at the distal end of the 7, we're going to focus on the distal end of the femur. All right. So we can actually use the lesser trochanter to our advantage to help us remember the distal end. Do you know that original joke where 6 is afraid of this 7? Well, it's because 7, 8, 9. Well, that 9 is going to help us represent the 9th fetal month for the primary on the distal end of the femur. And for the secondary distal end, it's just literally 18 to 20th year, which is going to be really easy to remember because it's literally the last to form out of all the others. And that's really it for the femur on all the locations. So for the steps, to simplify things, you're going to just think of a baby head coming out first. And then you're going to draw the 9 to help with the head. And then you're going to draw the 4 for the lesser trochanter and the greater trochanter. And then you're going to draw the 7 for the lesser trochanter and the distal end of the femur. And that's it.